Gain an understanding of Agile and Scrum fundamentals, learn how to facilitate Scrum events like stand-ups, sprint planning and retrospectives, and master Agile tools. Along the way, you'll also develop essential leadership and communication skills to become an effective Scrum Master. This video gives an idea of what to expect in this internship and how it will set you up for success in Agile project management. So, let's get started on this exciting journey to becoming an effective Scrum Master. Scrum and Agile help teams work efficiently, adapt to changes, and deliver value faster. Agile is a flexible methodology, while Scrum is a structured framework that organizes work into sprints. Scrum is important because it enhances teamwork, adaptability, and efficiency. It enables teams to break work into sprints, respond to changes quickly, and deliver value faster. By promoting collaboration and transparency, Scrum helps teams stay focused, aligned, and continuously improve. A career as a Scrum Master offers exciting opportunities in Agile project management. With high demand across industries, Scrum Masters can work in tech, finance, healthcare, and more. They play a key role in driving team success, facilitating Agile processes, and enabling continuous improvement, leading to roles like Agile Coach or Product Owner. The Scrum Master Internship is a 4-month program designed to provide hands-on experience with real-world projects. You will actively participate in Scrum activities, facilitate Agile processes, and gain practical exposure to team collaboration, sprint planning, and continuous improvement in a dynamic work environment. Welcome everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar, and I'm the CTO and co-founder of Zummit Infolabs, Nexus AI, and Sprhava. Today, I'll walk you through what our internship is all about and what you can expect from the internship. Our internship is a 4-month program designed to give you hands-on experience. But first, you need to clear a technical round and a HR round of interview to get the internship. Don't worry, it is not generally difficult, as we look at good attitude, passion, and willingness to learn. For the first 2 weeks, you will follow a structured learning path. This is a self-paced activity consisting of videos or blog links covering key topics. During this phase, we have daily stand-ups, where a Scrum Master checks your tasks and keeps a track. Once you complete your learning path, you will be assigned to real-world AI projects. Our projects include AI smart glasses for our German client, stock prediction project, logistics project, biotech client project, and many more. Here, you'll work in teams, sometimes with members from different countries and time zones, so please keep in mind the cross-cultural differences and follow good etiquettes. One of the most exciting aspects of our internship is the war room sessions. These happen once or twice a week, where we deep dive in an interactive interview-style discussion. These sessions will not only strengthen your concepts, but also boost your confidence. This internship is more than just technical skills. It's about teamwork and knowledge sharing. You'll meet many interns like yourself, some with more experience, some with less, but the key is to exchange knowledge and grow together. You will also have access to mentors, team leaders, who will guide you in technology and career development. During the internship, you can prepare for your future career. You will get guidance on resume building and ATS optimization, industry jargons and best practices, networking strategies via LinkedIn and others. By the end of this internship, you'll have enough tools in your bag for cracking the job market. I encourage you to work hard, stay curious, and absorb as much knowledge as possible. The skills you gain here will set the foundation for a career. Wishing you all the best for your internship and your future.